Assalamu alaikum student, welcome to the e-classes of Sufa English High School. This is Shazia Khan, subject teacher of SST. Today I will be going to teach standard 7 geography lesson number 6 natural region. So let's start with the new paragraph. On the basis of the selection you have done and the question given below, arrange and discuss in the class. Now, why are all the house types shown in the picture not seen in our surrounding? मीन्स जो पिक्चर इसमें बताए गए हैं वो क्यों बताए और हमारे इर्द गिर्द वो क्यों नहीं है. विच आर द रीजन्स विच सच टाइप ऑफ हाउसेस आर फाउंड. विच आर द रीजन वेयर सच टाइप ऑफ हाउस आर फाउंड. कौन से ऐसे रीजन है, कौन से ऐसे इलाके जहाँ ऐसे घर पाए जाते हैं. वुड यू लाइक टू स्टे इन अ हाउस बिल्ट ऑफ आइस. वाई डोंट वी बिल्ड सच हाउस. मीन्स क्या आपको ऐसे घरों में रहना अच्छा लगता है या फिर हम ऐसे घर क्यों नहीं बनाते हैं. व्हाट ब्रिंग्स अबाउट डिफरेंस इन पीपल्स क्लॉथिंग. लोगों के कपड़ों में क्या डिफरेंस है. वेयर डू यू थिंक hooves, insect and ants also form a part of the diet of the people. Where do you think hooves, insect and ants means कीड़े मकोड़े also form a part of the diet of the people. वो भी अपना एक खाना घर और ये सब देखते हैं और सोचते हैं. Can the animals from polar region like polar bears and penguins be kept in the tropical zoos. मीन्स हम ऐसे जानवरों को क्या ट्रॉपिकल जूज में रख सकते हैं. और all the plants shown in the picture found in our surrounding. If not, where do you think they can be found. Are all the plants shown in the picture. जो भी plants, जो भी trees यहाँ पर बता रहे found in our surrounding. if क्या वो हमारे इर्द गिर्द पाए जाते हैं. if not अगर नहीं, where do you they can be found तो वो कहाँ पाए जाते हैं. there exist a large number of different things in the world than those we see in our surroundings. We see different educational and informative TV programs about wildlife. We become curious to know more about this wildlife. Why is this wildlife not seen in our areas. Why are they not similar to the wildlife found in our areas. What causes this difference. Let us try to find the reason behind all this. Means ये सारी जो चीज़ें हैं ये हमें अपने इर्द गिर्द क्यों नहीं दिखती है. सिर्फ टीवी प्रोग्राम्स पर वाइल्ड लाइफ क्यों बताता है और हम इन्हें जानने के लिए इतने उत्सुक क्यों रहते हैं, ये हम आज आगे देखेंगे. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द न्यू पेज विद द न्यू पैराग्राफ. Geographical explanation. There are difference in terms of landform, climate, soil, etc. in different parts of the world. This difference is mainly due to the availability of sunlight and water in that region. The availability of sunlight and water keeps on changing from the equator to the poles. You have studied this in the previous standard. Difference in landforms, climate and soil greatly influence the flora, fauna and human life and give rise to variations in the biodiversity in different parts of the world. So student, differences in landform, climate and some. There are difference in terms of landforms, climate, soil, etc. in different parts of the world. These differences are mainly due to availability of sunlight and water. In that region, the availability of sunlight and water keeps changing from the equator to the poles. Now, on the other hand, there are similarities of climate, vegetation and animal life in different continents that spread between certain latitude. These similarities stand out as the distinctive features of this region, as these regions stand out on the basis of natural factors. They are called natural regions. The natural environment of such regions affect the living world, including human beings. The entire land area on the earth can be divided into these natural regions. Let us try to understand their distribution with the help of maps and tables given in the lesson. The difference in landform, climate, soil greatly influence the flora and fauna. Human life give rise to the variation in the biodiversity in different parts of the world. So let's go to the next page. The natural region given in the table are found in specific latitudinal extent between the equator and the poles. Availability of water and temperature found there determine the location and extent of this region. Besides the region mentioned above, there are some more regions which stand out due to local conditions. They are the monsoons, the Mediterranean and the West European region. While the monsoons and the West European region stand out because of specific winds blowing there, the Mediterranean region is known for its rainfall in winter. There are described in the table below. Now, natural region, monsoon region, Mediterranean region, West European regions. This is the table. Here we show that north and south of the equator between 10 degree and 30 degree, and north and south parallel areas, Indian subcontinent, Philippines, West Indies, Australian, East America, and etc. Now, Mediterranean extend between 30 degree and 40 degree parallel in both the hemisphere on the western side of continent. Portugal, Spain, Algeria, Turkey, California, Central Chile, South, West, and Northeast Australia. These types of region are given here. West European region. Okay. Now, go to the next paragraph. Go to the next page. The natural region given in the table are found in specific latitudinal extent between the equator and the poles. Availability of water and temperature found there determining the location and extent of this region. Besides the region mentioned above, there are some more regions which stand out due to local conditions. They are the monsoons, the Mediterranean and the West European regions. While the monsoon and the West European regions stand out because of specific winds blowing there, the Mediterranean region is known for its rainfall in winter. These are called described in the table below. Now, natural regions, these are similarities of climate, vegetations and animal in different continents that spread between certain latitudes. These similarities stand out as the distinctive feature of this region. As this region stand out on the basis of natural factors, they are called natural region. The natural environment of such regions affect the living world, including human being. After every 12 hours and 25 minutes, a cycle of high tide and low tide gets completed. Okay, student, beside the 9 regions given in the tables, these are certain other distinctive regions which stand out because of their specific content, location. For example, the China type region, St. Lawrence region. See the extent of this figure region in figure 6.1. Now, natural region form the poles to the equator. Tundra region. This region is located Tundra region. This region is located between 65 degree north and 90 degree north parallels. Very cold climate is found in this region. Short-lived vegetal life is seen in this region. Animals in this region have soft and thick fur. Population distribution is found to be extremely sparse in this region. Now, the second region is Taiga region. This region is located between 55° north and 65° north parallel. This region receive rainfall in summer and snowfall in winter. Coniferous forests are mainly found in this region. Very cold climate is found in this region. Short-lived vegetal life is in this region. Animal in this region have soft and thick fur. Population is found to be less in this region. Now the next is grassland, steppes and prairies region. This region is located between 30° and 55° north and south parallel in the interior parts of the continent. This region received rainfall mostly during summer. Extensive grass ranches are seen in this region. Herbivores are mostly seen in this region. Rearing animal is the main occupation of the people living in this region. This region is also known for its large scale production of wheat. Now hot desert region. Hot desert region. This region is located between 20° and 30° north and south parallel. Tremendous heat during day, very cold night and very low rainfall are the main climatic feature of this region. Thorny bushes with hardly any leaves are mainly found in this region. Camels are mainly seen in this region. People from this region fulfill their needs mainly through animals. Okay student, it is enough for today. We will continue in the next video. So take care and thank you.